Lightning does not broadcast every payment to the chain. When Alice pays Carol, her wallet finds a path through nodes that already share open channels. Each hop updates balances inside those channels. The payment either completes atomically across the whole route, or nothing moves. Alice holds a channel with Bob. Bob runs a routing node with a channel to Dave. Dave has a channel with Carol, who sells digital goods. Alice wants to send Carol 50,000 satoshis without opening a new channel to Carol directly. Before any satoshi moves, the network must have liquidity in the right direction. On Alice's channel to Bob, Alice needs outbound capacity, sats she can push toward Bob. Bob needs outbound capacity toward Dave. Dave needs outbound capacity toward Carol. The diagram shows each channel balance, who can still send, and where the route is thin. Carol creates an invoice. It encodes the amount, an expiry, and a payment hash, the SHA-256 digest of a secret preimage only Carol knows. Alice's node does not pay a destination string. It pays that hash. Until the preimage is revealed, the hash acts as a lock. Alice's wallet runs pathfinding. It reads the public channel graph, estimates fees at each hop, and checks capacity. The chosen route is Alice to Bob to Dave to Carol. Bob might charge 10 satoshis. Dave might charge 5. The wallet sums the fees and adds them to the invoice amount so Carol still receives 50,000. Now the HTLC chain propagates. A hash time-locked contract locks funds at each hop with the same payment hash. Dave forwards an HTLC to Carol. Carol accepts because she recognizes her invoice hash. Dave's outbound is locked until Carol releases the preimage or the timeout expires. Dave then offers an HTLC to Bob, and Bob to Alice, each link using the same hash, with decreasing time locks toward the sender. Onion routing wraps the payload so intermediaries see only the next hop. Bob decrypts one layer and learns he must forward to Dave. He does not learn that Alice is the payer or that Carol is the final payee. Dave peels the next layer toward Carol. Privacy comes from layered encryption, not trust. Carol verifies the incoming HTLC matches her invoice. She releases the preimage, the secret whose hash was in the invoice. That preimage travels backward. Dave uses it to pull funds from Bob's HTLC. Bob uses it to pull from Alice's HTLC. Each hop settles in milliseconds. Channel balances update, Alice lower, Carol higher, Bob and Dave keep routing fees. Watch the sequence muted and you still read the story. A route graph with 4 names. Capacity bars on each link. Fee labels on the chosen path. HTLC locks appearing hop by hop. An onion packet shrinking as layers peel. A pre-image label unlocking the chain. Final balances showing Carol paid and intermediaries compensated. That is how Lightning actually routes a payment, not magic routing tables on-chain, but locked contracts, hashed secrets, and liquidity-aware pathfinding across a mesh of bilateral channels.